Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Zepeto online. Open your browser, go to the Zepeto site, sign up with email or social, then download the app or play in browser. Create and customize your avatar with outfits and accessories, join rooms, add friends, and explore mini-games. Use chat and emotes to interact, attend events, and save screenshots for sharing. Stay safe and enjoy expressing yourself creatively. Start by choosing Sign Up and picking email or social login. Verify your email or phone when prompted to secure your account. Choose a username, set a profile photo, and accept terms. Customize privacy settings to control who can message you and view your activities. Link friends or invite contacts to build your network quickly. Use strong passwords and enable two-factor if available to protect your Zepeto experience safely always. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tutorials. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle keeps you hydrated on the go with leak-proof design and convenient spout. It fits cup holders and holds enough water for long sessions, so you won't miss a beat while playing. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you grab one, you'll thank me later. Now let's get back to the video. Learn movement, gestures, and camera controls first so you can explore smoothly. Tap avatars to view profiles, send friend requests, and join their rooms. Enter public rooms to meet others, or create private rooms for friends only. Try mini-games to earn items and practice customizing your avatar wardrobe. Use the map and event notices to find popular activities and seasonal events. Have fun, respect others, and experiment freely creatively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.